Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In a world where technology reigns supreme, countless opportunities have emerged that allow individuals to earn a living through the digital realm. Today, we will explore 3 effective methods to generate an income online, breaking down each step to ensure you grasp the concept fully. Our first method is affiliate marketing. This technique involves promoting a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platforms, or websites. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique link associated with their recommendation. Start by selecting a product or service you enjoy and feel confident promoting. Next, sign up for an affiliate program that offers this product or service. Once approved, you will receive a unique affiliate link to share with your audience. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to build a strong audience who trusts your recommendations. The second method is to create and sell online courses. If you have a particular skill or knowledge in a specific field, you can package it into an online course and sell it to those eager to learn. Start by identifying your area of expertise and understanding what your potential students might want to learn. Next, create a comprehensive and engaging course that delivers on its promises. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to host your course and manage payments. Remember, the quality of your course and your reputation as an instructor play significant roles in your success. The third method is through freelance services. Freelancing means offering your skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. This could be anything from writing and graphic design to programming or consulting. To start freelancing, identify a skill you are proficient in and would like to offer. Next, create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, showcasing your skills and previous work. Start bidding on relevant projects and gradually build your clientele. Always strive for excellence to garner positive reviews and attract more clients. In summary, the digital world offers numerous opportunities to earn money online. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commission by promoting other people's products. Creating and selling online courses enables you to capitalize on your expertise, while freelancing offers the flexibility to work on diverse projects that match your skill set. Each method requires dedication, quality, and consistency to be successful. While these methods may not make you a millionaire overnight, they can provide a steady income if done correctly. So take the plunge, explore these opportunities, and unlock the potential of making money online. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your step could be exploring these 3 methods to making money online.